My name is Jesse Gonzalez. I'm the Vice President of RGV Alliance Construction. RGV Alliance is an 18-year-old company here in the Valley. We do thermal moisture protection, concrete, and masonry. When Bautex came out, something new, we decided to give it a try since we do masonry. It's similar to masonry, but it's not. But it's a new technology, and we kind of saw that air barrier stucco and the Bautex system goes together from one vendor. So why not give it a try? 2016, we started with Bautex with a small credit union in Harlingen. From then, we've done a job in Corpus for Texas Park and Wildlife, and then South Powder Island with the Phase 1, 2, and Phase 1C of the Isla Blanca Park renovation. RGV's scope of work here in Isla Blanca Park was to do the Bautex system, the interior and exterior stucco, the waterproofing, caulking, and the exterior painting of the building. From the beginning, the Bautex team has been very helpful. Mr. Dwayne Holloway has come down to our office and have done mock-ups with our men. The first project, he came down 2 or 3 days, trained our guys. When we started the first project, he was on site. Their technical support has been top-notch. For RGV, the simplicity is the installation process. By working with Bautex, it added another scope of work into our masonry department. What I would tell other contractors is to give the system a try, because here at RGV Alliance, we've tried it and it's been successful for us.